I gonna blow. Is it there?
So where was Dennis's house?
Up there.
Up further up.
You see that one?
Yeah, I can see that one. It's quite high up too, isn't it? So this is where Richard's place used to be, just in here where the boats are now, and down here where Stephen's walking is the path that we walked on last time I was down in Songalendu 2 weeks ago, and it was totally dry at that stage. Pile of dirt immediately behind us was Richard's house, and now we're heading up towards the town centre. Last time we were actually able to walk along a dry path to get there. Main Street, Songalendu, looking back from the lake, and this is looking down towards the lake.
All the way back.
No, he's going to drop us, love.
Oh. I want to catch a big flower like the other one.
So where you see this boat loading is where we handed out beans at the church 2 months ago. The water has come. So they've got their little house which acts as the house and also as somewhere to store the fish, and then the fish are going to go across to another district called Panimore.